What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's a beautiful, I don't want to say beautiful, it's a damn cloudy day today. We have gotten a ton of rain yesterday. Had to drive out to Orlando, do a couple things out there with the family, and came back, and it was the whole time, that whole drive, the weather was freaking awful, man. I'm glad I didn't take my car. We went in the my wife's car, so it was a little bit better. But her, man, I got to get her some wipers. Those wipers suck. It barely was cleaning any of that water off the windshield. It was so blurry. I hate that. Anyways, I gotta head over to the dealership and tidy up a couple things, and I'll be back, guys. Pretty nice little DB9 right there, huh? What year is that? Like a, what was it, like 2010 body? A 2010? I don't know. I'm not sure of these years. They look alike for a few years, I think. Hard to tell. Looks nice though. Well, take a little look. I checked my coolant. The car wasn't overheating, but when I took off from the house earlier, I had some smoke come out the tailpipes. Now, this is an issue I had in the past. It was my intercooler. I guess our stock intercooler, it's known to kind of break internally or something, and it leaks, and then it gets out to the exhaust, leaks out to the exhaust, and it burns coolant. And white smoke comes out. You can smell it. It smells like coolant, so it's pretty simple. There's no smoke coming out right now, but my car had been sitting for a while, so I wonder if maybe that was the issue. I'm gonna have to see if I can replicate it again, well, or if it happens again. It's not like I'm gonna replicate it, but hopefully it doesn't happen again. If it does, I'm gonna have to take this girl in and make sure she don't, there's no smoke at all coming out, not even slightly. Exhaust tips, it vibrates a lot. It needs to be tightened again. I don't hear that rattle, but when it's cold it has that rattle, so I'm gonna have to tighten it up. One of those bolts down there always ends up getting loose, and I think it's from, I don't know what it's from, to be honest with you. I think it's like maybe the fuel overrun, you know, when the exhaust pops, it vibrates a lot. Maybe it loosens the bolts, I don't know. And I've torqued every single one of them down one time, and sure enough, within a few weeks it happens again. So, or I shouldn't say a few weeks, it usually takes like couple months. After a couple months, it starts to end up, you hear that rattle again. It's almost a different bolt every time. It's usually not the same one, so we'll see how it goes. Guess you have the car for 3 years, you're running it as hard as I have. I mean, you can't complain. It's still, let's close this hood. It still runs pretty good. She hasn't left me stranded yet, so that's a good thing, right? Oh, let me lock this door. We gotta lock this door right now. So this thing's gonna need a battery. That was that repo car I took back. It's definitely gonna need a battery. It was dead when I started it. I put the battery pack on it, started up, let it run for like 10 minutes. Didn't start again, it was completely dead. So I'm gonna put a battery in that thing before I try to sell it. Well, I guess hopefully I don't get any more smoke, but if I do, yeah, it sucks. Then I'm gonna drop the car off at the dealership. Hopefully it's still warranty. Well, the car is still under warranty, but hopefully I can get it done again. I actually had it done last year, like about 8 months ago maybe, something like that. And it, you know, they did it under warranty. Thankfully, I was actually still at the dealership at the time. It was smoking just like it did this morning. Was doing it for like a couple of. I don't know if I want to say a couple tanks full before it actually, one day at the dealership I went to leave, and it did it as soon as I started it, and it was just sputtering and it was bad, so I couldn't even drive it home. So I just left it there, and then they fixed it like the next day, and you know, simple warranty fix, just the intercooler. If they don't cover it this time, then looks like I'll be getting the CSF intercooler. I'll just get the aftermarket one because it's cheaper anyway. And supposedly it might work a little better, so we'll see how that goes. Good news, it took off and there's no smoke. Doesn't mean it's not gonna happen again, because it was like kind of intermittent last time, and I'm assuming it's gonna be intermittent again. So we'll see how that goes when it comes around on the drive. So no smokies as I go, so good. So as you guys know, I'm sure you guys are all over Instagram, the leaks of the new M4 or I guess share it out on the internet. I'm not sure how I feel about this thing. You know, I didn't like the C8 when I saw it in photos. I ended up seeing it in person. I liked it. Should I hold off an opinion to wait, maybe see it in person, or get some better photos? These photos aren't the greatest. These leaked photos, I don't know, man. Sometimes these leaked photos, like, what are they? If I saw a car and I busted my phone out really quick to take a quick shot, it would still not look blurry. But these people leak these photos? What is this? Why do these photos always look blurry? What is the deal? What's going on here? Every time you get a leaked photo of something, you know, even when they're ones with it's the camo still on the car, it's always like they used a potato camera. Like, I don't understand this. What's the deal here? Because if I'm going to take a photo of something, it's not going to come out blurry like that. My phone, I can quickly press the power button twice, my camera pops open, and I got a photo. High res. It's going to look good. I mean, even from far away, if I don't even get a chance to zoom in, I mean, that photo's still going to be a pretty high megapixel photo. I mean, I could somewhat zoom in and get a pretty decent image out of that photo. But these guys, man, I don't know what the deal is with these leaked photos and blurry. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about when these things leak out. Do you think it's real? Or maybe it's just somebody blurred up a shot and it was the regular 4 Series photo and they kind of dolled it up in Photoshop. I don't know if it's real or not. Supposedly it is. It has badging on it like it's an M4, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I'm kind of skeptical. The new 4 Series, you know, I'm still, that grill, I don't know. I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see what it is in person when it comes out. It's only a few months away, so let's see what happens. Guys, as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do all the good things, share with your friends. If you're not subscribed already, I don't know what the hell you're doing in your life. Hit that subscribe button. It's right there on the corner. Listen, I appreciate your support. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, again, hit that subscribe button, man. I really do appreciate you guys. It only helps my channel grow, reach out. I can have more fun, and hopefully meet a lot more of you guys out there in the car world. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next go round. I'm out.